In this video, I will explain what the center of mass of a body is and why it plays an important role in physics. You will learn how to determine the center of mass and what effects it has on the stability of objects. The center of mass is the point where the total weight of a body is evenly distributed. You can imagine this point as if the entire mass of the body were concentrated there. It determines how a body behaves under the influence of gravity. The center of mass can be inside or outside of a body. The center of mass can be determined through experimentation or calculations. For regular objects, such as a rectangle, it is usually located in the middle. For irregular shapes, you can find it by hanging the body at different points. The point at which it stays balanced is the center of mass. The center of mass affects the stability of a body. If the center of mass is above the base area, the body will stay upright. If the center of mass is outside the base area, the body will tip over. This is why stable objects often have a low center of mass. Humans also have a center of mass, which changes depending on posture. When standing, it is roughly in the abdominal area. When leaning forward, the center of mass shifts forward. This is why you need to adjust your balance during certain movements to avoid falling over. A body is in balance when its center of mass is supported. There are three types of balance: stable, unstable, and neutral balance. Stable balance occurs when the body returns to its original position after a small disturbance. In engineering, the center of mass plays a significant role in safety. Vehicles are designed so that their center of mass is as low as possible to prevent tipping over. In architecture, it is also important to ensure that buildings have a stable center of mass. In sports, many athletes deliberately use their center of mass for their movements. Gymnasts keep their center of mass low to remain more stable. High jumpers shift their center of mass to achieve higher jumps. In cycling, the right center of mass provides better control. The center of mass is also important in nature. Trees have a low center of mass to withstand strong winds. Animals use their posture to shift their center of mass optimally. Birds adjust it while flying to stay stable in the air. You can study the center of mass with simple experiments. One way is to hang an irregular object at different points and find the balance point. Another experiment is balancing a ruler on a finger. The point where it doesn't tip over is the center of mass.